Hello everybody, Isamu Sushi here, and just a quick video. Something showed up in the mail today, so we are gonna open this up and see what they look like. I haven't, obviously, I'm cutting this open now. I have no idea what they look like. I have not looked at them yet. And this is, I kind of screwed up. I forgot to put my name on them. Oh, light. There it is. But at least I got Isamu on there. And on the back, there's my QR to get you to my YouTube page. Anyway, technically, I'm not a blue belt yet. I have not built a challenge lock and submitted any videos. I'm just picking at a blue belt level. So I didn't want to buy the green just to have to turn around and buy the blue. So there they are, everybody. That's them. And they are the nicer, heavy clay ones. So actually feel and sound like poker chips. Anyway, it turned out pretty cool. At least it'll pique their curiosity. Who is that? Maybe I should scan it and go check them out. All right, everybody. That was just a quick video. I just wanted to show you my my first set of poker chips. Thanks, guys. I love all my supporters. I appreciate you, and thanks for the encouragement, guys. Take care. Everybody have a great night and a great week.